Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today we're diving into an exciting development in the world of professional photography. The Nikon Z7 III is finally making waves, and the much-anticipated release could be just around the corner. Let's explore what this new camera has in store for photographers and videographers, and how it stacks up in the growing mirrorless camera market. Recently, Nikon registered a new camera model with the code N2410 in a wireless certification database. What makes this notable is the confirmation of 5 GHz Wi-Fi support. While entry-level cameras typically use 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, this higher-end connection suggests we're looking at something more powerful than your standard beginner's model. Could this mean a release aimed at enthusiasts, or even professionals? Only time will tell, but there are a few exciting possibilities on the horizon. Could this be the Nikon Z7 III, the long-awaited successor to the Z7 II? After the release of the Nikon Z6 III, speculation has ramped up. There have also been whispers of a Nikon Z9 Mark II, which could soon join the lineup. For those eager for a budget-friendly option, the entry-level Nikon Z32 is rumored to debut by the end of 2025 as well. Wireless certification doesn't always lead to an immediate release, but historically, Nikon tends to unveil new gear within 2 to 3 months. Following certification, if that timeline holds, we might see an official teaser or announcement as soon as August or September 2025. Now let's take a closer look at what we can expect from the Z7 III. The Nikon Z7 III is shaping up to be a game-changer in the mirrorless world. It promises major upgrades from its predecessor, the Z7 II, catering to both pro photographers and videographers. With stiff competition from Sony and Canon, Nikon is set to offer a camera with superior detail, speed, and versatility. One of the key features of the Z7 III is its sensor. While rumors circulate that it may feature a 67-megapixel sensor from Tower Jazz, the most likely scenario points to a 61-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor from Sony. This would place the Z7 III directly in competition with Sony's A7RV, offering incredible detail and dynamic range. This high-resolution sensor is perfect for landscape, studio, and commercial photographers who demand the highest level of clarity in their images. Nikon's color science, combined with enhanced image processing, will likely deliver stunning results. Autofocus has also been a focal point in recent years for Nikon, and the Z7 III is expected to feature a 493-point phase detection AF system with AI-driven subject tracking. This enhanced autofocus system will be crucial for wildlife and sports photographers who need quick and precise subject detection. Another expected upgrade is the in-body image stabilization system, which could be bumped from 5 stops to 8 stops, greatly improving stability, particularly in low-light situations or when using telephoto lenses. This enhancement would allow photographers to capture crisp, sharp images without needing a tripod, a huge advantage for handheld shooting. Under the hood, the Z7 III is expected to feature dual X-Speed 7 processors. These processors should significantly improve processing speed, noise reduction, and overall performance, allowing for faster image processing and handling of high-resolution files. Burst shooting is rumored to reach 20 frames per second, a substantial improvement over the Z7 II. For fast-moving subjects, this could be a game-changer. Video capabilities are expected to be a standout feature of the Z7 III. Unlike previous models, which leaned more towards stills photography, the Z7 III is rumored to embrace hybrid functionality. Expect to see 8K video at 30 frames per second with a crop, a full 6K readout, and 4K at 120 frames per second. There's even talk of 12-bit NRAW internal recording, providing greater flexibility for post-production. With heat management improvements, similar to those seen in the Z8 and Z9, Nikon could offer a camera that provides high-resolution video recording without overheating. This would put the Z7 III on par with Canon's EOS R, which has been plagued by overheating issues in 8K video mode. As for the design, the Z7 III is expected to retain the robust magnesium alloy body with enhanced weather sealing. This ensures the camera can withstand tough environments and be reliable in all kinds of outdoor conditions. The 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen LCD will allow for flexible shot composition, while the high-resolution electronic viewfinder ensures you can shoot in any lighting condition with clarity. In terms of pricing, the Z7 III is expected to be priced between $3,500 and $3,800, a slight increase over the Z7 II's launch price, but still positioned below the more professional Z8, which retails around $4,000. If Nikon gets the pricing right, the Z7 III could appeal to a wide range of photographers, offering exceptional resolution and image quality at a competitive price point. The Z7 III is shaping up to be a powerhouse camera, blending high-resolution imaging, fast autofocus, and exceptional video capabilities. Whether it lives up to the hype remains to be seen, but the rumored specs suggest this could be one of Nikon's most powerful mirrorless cameras yet. The camera is expected to be a solid contender for hybrid photographers and videographers, offering a balance of resolution, speed, and versatility. Nikon's commitment to improving autofocus, image stabilization, and video recording features positions the Z7 III as a worthy competitor in the mirrorless camera market. With all these potential upgrades, the Z7 III could be a major player in both the photography and videography worlds. As we await the official announcement, it's clear that Nikon is pushing the boundaries of what a hybrid mirrorless camera can do. Whether you're a professional photographer, videographer, or enthusiast, the Nikon Z7 III could be an excellent choice for anyone looking for cutting-edge technology in a versatile and durable camera. The future of the Nikon Z series looks bright, and the Z7 III could be the camera that solidifies Nikon's place in the mirrorless market. As new details emerge, we'll keep you updated with all the latest information. Stay tuned for more exciting content on the Z7 III and other upcoming Nikon releases.